Here we've got Motorola Moto Z, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here you have to locate and open System, and now smoothly go to date and time right here. And you can either use automatic date and time, so it's set up by network, and then you can switch it off if you would like to set it up by yourself, and now you can pick date and also time manually by yourself. So from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also switch off automatic time zone and select the one from the following list. As you can see, the list is pretty wide, so no matter where you currently are, it will be here. So let me pick, for example, Perth. And then you can also change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock. To do it, just click here, and now it's 24-hour format clock, or you can go back to 12-hour format clock. Just like that. And actually that would be all, so you can set up date and time in your Motorola Moto Z. Then if you'd like to go back to automatic setup, just tap on those switchers, and now your date and time, also the time zone, will be provided automatically. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.